What's going on, YouTube? Justin here, back here again with another video. Today, same day as I recorded the wheel durometer video, but I wanted to make another video. It's kind of informational on skateboards. Are riser pads necessary, in my opinion? Let's dive into it. Enjoy. I have a set of riser pads that I've had laying around for years now. I've tried them once, and personally, I don't find them necessary because my wheels are always ending up so small. I never get wheel bite enough to consider them and or worry about rising the height of my board. It's really all about comfortability at the end of the day, and if you are riding a bigger size wheel meant for your deck, as in a riser is meant to increase the space, between the deck and your truck, to add that longer gap, more of that height, to push your truck away to get more space and clearance for bigger wheels. So if your wheels are, I'm probably gonna say anywhere bigger between a 56 with a normal truck deck setup, you're probably gonna want to use anywhere from a 1/4 inch riser all the way up to an inch riser, within all preference, and if it clears your deck without having any issues. But like I said, in my opinion, I don't use risers, but if you use them, you're more than welcome to. It's really optional. But that's really all I have to say about the video. There's many styles, as in many designs of risers. It's not really special. You won't see the riser except for the side of it on each side, everything, and thicknesses and materials they use. But I will not be getting into that today. I will be just stating my thoughts and opinions on risers. A lot of longboarders use them, more so than skateboarders do, but if you ride a lot of bowl, you will meet a lot of old heads that do have risers. But hope you all are enjoying the video so far, and like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.